Okay, class. So our next project is going to be to make a coaster. And you can see this coaster has three parts. First, it has a, we have one single crochet piece here, 14 rows. Another 14 rows of single crochet. And then we have an edging that goes around. So those are the three parts. So the first thing we're going to need to do is create a large 14 rows, 15 stitches, single crochet stitch. And that's what we're going to start right now. So let's see. All right, we're going to begin with the slip knot. Remember not to pull the slip knot too tight, just nice and loose. Okay, wrap around your hands, and we're going to chain 16. So 1, 2, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. Then we're going to count back. This is number 1. This is 16. We're going to stitch, we're going to single crochet on not the 16th one, but on the 15th one. So we're going to go back, only top loop right here. We're going to yarn over, pull through. Now we have 2 loops, yarn over, pull through, and you have created a single crochet stitch on the 15th chain. So we're going to keep going. The next chain over, back loop, yarn over, single crochet. You're going to do that all the way down the row. This is now row 1. The chain is not considered a row. The last chain, and then we're single crocheting over it. This should be number 15 right here, because we were supposed to have 15 stitches. And on the last row, the last single crochet chain, what you want to do before you do one more chain, before you do that, you want to go ahead and twist this around. Okay. Now we are going to do one turning, the twisting chain right here. There it is. And you're going to notice these little holes right in here. That's where you want to poke the needle through, the crochet hook through. Because see, when I poke through here, right in there in that hole, when I poke through here, I am going to have the front and back loop. That's what I want, front and back loop. And we're going to begin again. So yarn over, pull through. This is now row number 2. Poke through. So you're going to see that this is how we're going to do this, and you're going to see, so where is it going through? It's going through each one of these little indentions right in here, and that will let you be able to get both the back and the front loop, because that's what you want, the back and the front loop. Again, notice that my 2 fingers here, they hold the work. This requires some patience and practice. But many of you will find this to be meditative. Now, the more rows you have, the easier this becomes. This is still going to be tricky over here. Let's see. Right here, we've got this. Now, how do you know if you still need to go one more? I mean, I can tell that I still need to go a bit, but what you can do is you can count your chains. So if I go back over here, I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I still need to do one more. It has to be 15. So that means that I've got to come over here and dig this one out. I really got to look for it. It's in here. Not going to be easy, so I've got to dig it out. It's right here. There we go. There it is. So yes, the last insertion for your 15th single crochet stitch, you're gonna have to really dig in there and find it, and then this will be 15 going across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, all the way up to 15. Now I'm at the end. This is my second row. I am now going to do the third row, and what I want to do is take this piece, turn it like this, chain 1, that would be my turning chain 1, and do you see that little hole right there? It's right there. That's where I'm going to begin. And the next one, and the next one, and the next one. They're right in there. So, third row. And it should start getting easier to do this. The first 2 rows, challenging. Not impossible, just challenging. And be patient. And maybe you have to start again. Again, this project is just a practice in learning the single crochet stitch. The abbreviation is SC. You start off with 16 chains, CH, and then you turn your chain and begin the single crochet going across. Now I think this is my last one, number 15, but just to be sure, let's go ahead and count. Let's go ahead and count. So we're going to start off right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Perfect. 15. And we've done, let's see, how many rows have we done? We don't count this one. We count 1, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fourth one. It's good to kind of count it in your head as well. Yeah, because we're not going to count that one. So we're going to go 1, 2, right. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. All right, so again, we ended right here. We're going to turn our piece. We're going to chain a twisting chain, and begin right there where you see that hole. And you're going to do this for 14 rows. Okay, let's try that again. Okay. So you're going to finish off right here. You're going to turn your piece, and you're going to chain